Well, here we are in Suite 632 at Ritz-Carlton on the beach in Dubai. And what a clever person is Shevin in housekeeping. This is yours truly. Those earrings are now worn by somebody else. The brain still belongs to me, however. I hope. Let's have a look around at the suite. They know that I need to be in the know, and I certainly am going to be able to be here. Look, a Financial Times and a New York Times, and a few little items to take home. A lovely shopping bag, a hat, a candle. And here we are. Look at the view over the gorgeous gardens here at Ritz-Carlton. There's a plane taking off there. Another one already. There's Atlantis Royal in the distance. I've got outdoor seating for 4 here, but I've got other terraces actually. This place is pretty large, as you'll see. Let's go round and have a look. I've got dining for 8. I've got something that says caviar. I've got something that says cheese. I've got a card from the general manager. I've got a half bottle of Laurent Perrier. My goodness. I've got fruit and drinks. I've got fresh orange juice, an avo smoothie, a fruit cocktail. I'm not going to become starved here, I think. I've got a proper desk. I've got a walk-through closet. I've got a bathroom, yippee. Oh, and I've got one of those cola baths that can spill over the top and run around the outside. I used to love those, haven't been in one for ages. Not sure I'm ever going to get out, but still. This has to be one of the biggest showers of all time. Wow, diptych not fixed to the walls. Double showers. Half an hour is going to be required to work out how to use all the controls. I'm going to be busy here. Eating, drinking, showering. All lots of good fun. Oh boy. And this is first my name on the towels. This is hilarious. They have gone overboard in working out what is going to make me happy. The robe has my name on it. carrying around 4-post bed. It's just lovely. And on the bed, in case I can't remember who I am, this is written exactly.